I'd never seen any dancers that looked like me. I didn't have that reference point, and I didn't know how to even think about dance as an amputee. I was scared of my own body. I was scared to look in the mirror. I was too embarrassed for a long time to even show my legs, let alone walk into a dance studio and feel as though I belonged there. I've had horrible experiences of people saying that it wasn't for me, and turning up to do class and the teacher say I wouldn't be able to keep up, and feeling a lot of the time as though you are the outsider in a space. Whereas now I'm like, okay, I am a dancer, I've always been a dancer. It took me so long to call myself a dancer. For ages I was like, no, that's not me. That's somebody with 2 arms, 2 legs, head, torso, standing. And to realise that that is false was huge for me. And it's not easy. Walking on prosthetics is really painful, and that's before you're even dancing. Sometimes my legs will be so swollen in the morning that I won't be able to get my prosthetics on. Pain is a pretty much constant part of my life, but it's more important for me to dance, just to feel the feelings that dance gives me. The contemporary dance world just has a respect for all bodies, and in that I've learned to respect my own body, because for a long time I did not want to be an amputee and I didn't want to be disabled. I had internalised a lot of what I had learned about disability, and that was that disability equaled weakness and was something that should be overcome, that you should put a smile on it. I think dance has allowed me to work through that, and also to figure out what my body is able to do. It's helped me to live the life that I want to live,